Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing overstay and deportation in Thailand. I'm going to quote from an article from the Bangkok Post here momentarily, but understand deportation, oddly, and extradition can kind of inhabit sort of the same universe depending on the circumstances in a criminal context. In this video, we're talking more specifically just on deportation and overstay, but I did another video contemporaneously with this one where we discussed it in a criminal context, which is what this news article, that's the context this news article was discussing this in. So there will be kind of a criminal law undertone to this whole thing, but I'm going to sort of circle back and talk about this specifically in an overstay deportation context. Quoting directly from the Bangkok Post, it's bangkokpost.com. Article is titled, Estonian Drug Suspect Arrested in Pattaya. Quoting directly, he said the Interpol office in Estonia sent a letter dated February 1 asking Thai immigration police to arrest Mr. Name Redacted, I'm not going to use names here, who is wanted in Estonia for drug possession and named in an Interpol red notice issued on January 28. And this excerpt here is kind of more to the point. It drills it down. Quoting directly, Mr. Name Redacted entered the country on November 10th, 2017, and his entry visa expired on December 8th that same year. He was a long-time overstayer. That's key, I think. That's really a key component when analyzing this situation with respect to the interaction between immigration law, Thai criminal law, and also how Thailand deals with extradition as opposed to deportation. As noted in the other video on the criminal law aspect of this, this person will probably not be extradited in the traditional sense insofar as they probably won't be put through extradition proceedings because they're deportable. They're in violation of the Immigration Act. And as stated in that article, if folks go back and read it, they actually go on to say that, yeah, he will be processed out under the terms of the Immigration Act of 1979 here in Thailand and will sort of be shown the door, essentially, and sent back. But yeah, deportation for overstay is a major thing. This person will probably at least be blacklisted for 5 years. In more likelihood, because it rises up to other levels, because you've got this red notice issue, this person will probably be so-called life banned or 99-year ban, whatever you want to call it, be placed on the blacklist for that period of time. And it's probably not going to be possible for that person to arrange to be able to come back to Thailand. They're just basically not going to be able to return. So yeah, deportation and overstay, they kind of go hand in hand. Obviously, not everybody is going to be involved in, sort of any major criminal proceedings, but bear in mind, overstay is taken very, very seriously, and if you are caught in overstay in Thailand, you will be deported, and if you're caught in Thailand, you could be banned for 5 years minimum.